how to log in into Microsoft Teams. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will see how we can log in into Microsoft Teams. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Microsoft Teams application. If you don't have one, you can install it from Play Store. After you open it up, tap on Get Started. Now it will ask you to log in. If you want to pick up an account from this interface, you can choose one, or if you like to use a new account, select the option to use another account. Now it will ask for you to enter email or phone number associated with your Microsoft account. Enter it and then tap on Next. After that, again it will ask for your password. Type in your password, and once you tap on login, you will be logged in with the Microsoft account team, and now you can join any meeting with an ID. So that's the way to log into Microsoft Team, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.